Hello everyone, this is KK Pankaj on your screen. Dear learners, today we will study English literature and the topic is The Picture of Dorian Gray. It is a novel written by Oscar Wilde. Dear learners, before we start today's topic, I would like to remind you that if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive the further notifications. So let's begin today's topic. About the author. Oscar Wilde was born on 16th October in 1854 in Dublin, Ireland. He was born of professional and literary parents. His father was a surgeon and his mother was a revolutionary poetess. Some of his important works are given here. The Picture of Dorian Gray, The Importance of Being Earnest, Lady Windermere's Fan, An Ideal Husband, and Intentions. Difficult words from this topic. Portrait, a hand painted picture. Portrait, it means here a hand painted picture. Crude, it means rude. Fit of rage, in a moment of extreme anger. Terrible, it means extremely bad or serious. Next, bout of sadness, it means intense feeling of being sad. Main characters: Dorian Gray, a handsome and pleasant young man. Basil Hallward, a talented artist. Henry Wotton, Basil's friend. Introduction. The Picture of Dorian Gray is a Gothic and philosophical novel. This is the only novel written by Oscar Wilde. It was published in 1890 in Lippincotts magazine. The longer and revised version of The Picture of Dorian Gray published in book form in 1891. Dear learners, now we will discuss detailed summary. So let's discuss. There lived a young man called Dorian Gray, and he was always kind to people. He loved nice and beautiful things. He wanted a picture of himself, so he visited his friend Basil Hallward to get a picture of himself. Basil was a talented artist. Basil painted him a portrait in his studio, and one day he met Basil's friend named Henry Wotton. Henry told him that beauty and youth were most important things in the world. Even he said that beauty and youth were more important than kindness, intelligence, gentleness, and patience. After listening this, Dorian started to believe that this was true. When the portrait was finished, Dorian noticed his picture and felt very happy. But after some time, Dorian started to feel sad. You know why? Because Henry's words about youth and beauty flashed in his mind. He knew that one day he would be old. Now Dorian wished that he could always stay young and the picture would get old. How funny, dear learners. Is it possible? After that, Basil tried to make him understand that many things are more important than youth and beauty. But Dorian was not ready to understand. After that, he was not in touch with Basil for a long time. He came in touch with Henry and his friends. Step by step, Dorian started to change. He became hard and crude. He only thought about himself. In the beginning, as I told you, that Dorian was very kind to people, but now he was fully changed. One day, when he looked at his portrait, he found that the face had changed. It was really strange. Now he looked his face in the mirror and found it was true. Now he understood everything. As he had wished to stay young while the picture grew old. No doubt to say that it seemed impossible, but his wish had come true. After this incident, Dorian didn't want to think about this terrible thing. So he kept the portrait in a room and said to himself, now no one can ever see that portrait. Years passed, he enjoyed his life, but whenever he used to see the picture, he hated his life. After it, Dorian decided to be good, but it was too late to change. And one day, in a moment of extreme anger and sadness, he stabbed the painting and he himself died. After his death, his portrait changed back to look as young as it was in the beginning. Dear learners, actually, it was only his mindset about the picture. As I told you, at last, I'll ask some questions. You have to answer. So, some questions are there, some questions are here. Try to give answers. Question number first. Who did Dorian visit to have his portrait painted? Take time and reply. Good. Dorian visited his friend Vasil Hallvard to have his portrait painted. Next. Who changed the way Dorian thought about art and life? Let's answer. Vasil's friend Henry Wotton changed the way Dorian thought about art and life. Next, why did Dorian Gray stop meeting Vasil? What did he do instead? Dorian stopped meeting Vasil because he was against the idea that beauty and youth were the most important things in the world. He met Henry and his friends instead. Next and last question. What kind of changes happened to Dorian after the portrait started getting old? Answer. After the portrait started getting old, Dorian started hating his portrait as well as his life. Thanks for watching this video.